Here's an easy guide on how to measure your head at home to determine what cap size you need for your wig. The first step is to put your hair in a low ponytail if you have hair, just like you would if you were tucking your hair underneath your wig cap. Next, take your tape measure and measure the circumference of your head. You do this by placing one end of the tape measure in the center of your forehead, right where your natural hairline is. Then, wrap the tape measure around your head, underneath your ponytail or at the nape of your neck, and bring it back around front to connect it to the other end of the tape measure. Imagine the placement of the tape measure being where the lace of your wig would sit on your forehead. When you wrap the tape measure around your head, make sure that it's snug, but not too snug to where it's giving you a headache. You don't want to be able to fit your fingers underneath the tape measure. Record that measurement and repeat that step one more time just to be sure. The next step is to measure your head from front to back. Take the tape measure and put it at the front of your forehead, right where your hairline would start. Lay the tape measure over the top of your head and over your ponytail to the nape of your neck. Make sure to pull the tape measure pretty tight over your ponytail, just like it would feel if you had a wig on and your hair was underneath. Record that measurement and repeat that step one more time just to be sure. Lastly, measure your head from front to back again, but this time go around your ponytail instead of over it. Still place the tape measure at the very front of your hairline in the center of your forehead and pull it tightly back to the nape of your neck, but this time, instead of pulling it over your ponytail, lay it slightly off to the side. Record that measurement and repeat that step just to be sure. Once you've recorded all of your measurements, you can reference our size chart on our website to figure out what cap size you would need.